welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty Body on a D. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a review of this palette here. It's from Juvia's Place. It's their Afrique by Juvia's palette. Video, oh my gosh, the title of this video, you guys, oh my gosh. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Afrique palette. The Juvia's Place Afrique palette is a palette where you can go to juviasplace.com and also Ulta. I walked into my Ulta and I saw this and I freaked out because I never thought I would get a Juvia's Place palette, and I never thought it would be one near me, and it was one near me, so I have it in my hand. So this is what the palette looks like. The packaging of the palette. It says a true representation of a beauty, art, and glamour. The Afrique eyeshadow collection consists of 12 highly pigment eyeshadows. Oh, so let's open up the palette. I've already opened it. I couldn't wait. My reaction was just so extra, but it came bubble wrapped and everything. Just to let you guys know. So here's the palette itself. You probably have seen it 8 billion times, but I haven't did a review. I haven't got a chance to do a review, so might a little late. But here's the palette itself, and oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you guys, look at the colors. The colors is just amazing. Comes with the shield to protect the shadows, and oh, look at the colors. So I paid $20 for this palette, which is pretty good price for 12 eyeshadows, and for them to be highly pigmented, we will see. So I'm gonna have all the names listed on the screen. I may tear them up, but I will do my best by placing it in the screen. Côte d'Ivoire, Dakar, Niger. So this is Côte Niger, which is your green one. Togo. Oh, beautiful. First 4 roads. And then you have is Bentuel. You have Cantillo. Cantuno, Aya, which is this pretty grayish color. Aya. Then you have Cameroon. I may not add this in the video. I may have a clip of the eyeshadows and let you guys see it row by row. I may do something different. Angelique, Kissy, pretty brown. Fifi, and Kofi. So these shadows are very, very pretty, and the main one that really stood out to me the most is the yellow. The yellow one stood out the most to me. So we're gonna go ahead and start out with the look today. I'm gonna go in with Aya. Still got a nice arch. So we're gonna go in with Aya, and we're gonna be taking Aya into the crease. It does have a lot of kick up, by the way. Once you do that, dip your brush into the eyeshadow, but let's see if it's really that pigmented like they say it's pigmented. Oh wow, that's a pretty yellow. That is a pretty yellow. It shows up pretty well. See, lately I have been having bad experiences with yellow eyeshadows. So hopefully this yellow eyeshadow doesn't let me down. Next, we're gonna go in with the shade called Decatur, the car, and it looks like this is that second color. I'm gonna use the same brush, so use the same brush. Ooh, this is like a pretty burnt orange. Oh my gosh. These shadows feel very, very buttery too. So you get a great combination of buttery eyeshadows with this palette for the price that I paid for. It's a really good combination. That is pretty for a transition color. That is really, really dope. Now we're gonna wait for the outer V. I'm gonna use that blue. I'm gonna take some of that blue. So I did take that blue shade and I applied it to the crease with the yellow shade and with the Bentiol shade. I will have the shades listed in the video, you guys. I'm terrible with names, so if I'm missing names, I'm sorry. But those are the shades that I did use for this look today. And the eyeshadows are very, very buttery and nice. And not only that they're buttery and nice, but they're very, very matte. You have your mattes in this palette. You have 3 or 4 shimmer. You have 4 shimmers. And everything else is matte. But the only thing I disagree with the palette is that they did not add a black. I believe like every eyeshadow should have a black. Palette should have a black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my infamous cut crease. I'm going to take my concealer from LA Colors and I'm going to conceal it. I'm gonna take Kiofi. And apply Kiofi to the outer V. Oh my word heavens. OMG. Oh Lord. That shade is pigmented as ever. That shade is dope. That is a gold, like, look at that gold. What's the place? plan on doing gold today, but this gold called me out and said, do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with two gold, like 100 green. Oh my god, be excited to see what this shade is gonna look like. Y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh, my lid is right now on a different level. Look at that green. Oh my gosh. Spring, this is giving me Christmas vibes. Why am I pressing it in it? Shit, I'm using the gold. Oh my god, look at that. I want to try to focus mainly in the palette today, so I really want to focus mainly in a palette. I'm gonna mix up Cameroon, and I'm gonna mix up this burgundy color. Those two are like heaven right now. And I'm just gonna mix those two up, and I'm just gonna apply it to the crease. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh, it just warmed up the outer V. Oh my gosh, y'all. Outer V is like warming up. It's not like nothing else is needed to be added to the outer V. Oh my gosh. And some liner. I think I'm gonna go in with this pretty color right here. It's called Fifi. No, I'm just kidding. Fifi. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with Fifi as our liner. That is it for this makeup tutorial slash review. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette review. Give it a big thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.